Hey, what's going on? How are y'all doing? I know it's been a long time since I made a video, and today I'm going to make one of those unboxing videos. And what I have to unbox for you today is one of these Poulan gas chainsaws. It's a 33cc, 14-inch bar on this bad boy. I paid $108 for this from Menards. So let's crack this thing open and see what lies inside. Doesn't really look like it matters too much which end I open on. They're both stapled shut. So I'll go over here and I'll pull this end open. Get this bad boy opened up, see what we got inside of here. Here we go. Open them two flaps up. Slide this one up to the top. Let this one down and reach in. Oh, we should open it from the other end. This is the bar end. Huh? Easy enough. Let's go down here to this end. We'll open it up from down here. Pull this bad boy open. See if we can get her open. Same basic principle here. Reach in here and pull this bad boy out, maybe. Inside of here, there's a bunch of cardboard and flaps. What the heck else is holding this bad boy? Maybe the whole thing just going to slide out. Oh, look at that. The whole inside slides out. Maybe. Sorry, I never had to open one of these up. The whole inside slides out. Then you're basically left with an empty tube. Got a little warning thing there. Empty tube right there. Toss it off to the side. We got some instructions. We got a little pint of oil here. 2.5 fluid ounces of oil. We got the chainsaw tool there. This is a warning. Do not return to store once fueled. I've seen them in the garden center, some returns. So I know they do take them if we have fueled them. So I ain't gonna worry too much about that. Open up the box like that. Just a big old flat piece of cardboard. And there we go. We got the chainsaw right here. Look at this. Oh yeah, flip it around. 14-inch Poulan. Look at this. Look at this green beauty right here, this green monster. Yeah, I got some fuel already mixed up for my other chainsaw and my weed eater. So I'm going to dump some in there. But first I should probably read some instructions. There might be something in here. Add bar chain oil, make sure the chain break is locked. Slowly press primer. Alright. Basically it just tells you how to fire that thing up. We'll take my fuel mixture here. Fill this bad boy up. I know it's good fuel mixture because my weed eater runs, so got to be some good stuff, right? We'll get that thing filled up there. Put the lid on it. And then it says to slowly press this. This is the primer button. I have a little girl and her cat in the background. That's the little laughing you hear. Then it says come over here and I can choke it. Make sure that's in place. And I should be able to that we don't have to choke it. Yeah. It's got a real nice little kill switch right there. Looks like a stop sign. Hit that stop button, the thing kills itself. This has been your opening or unboxing of the Poulan. What's the number on this thing? Well, PL33114 gas chainsaw, 14-inch. And yeah, I'll have more openings happening right here in my shop because I have a lot of things going on. But until next time I make one of these here videos, you all stay awesome.